welcome. Happy Memorial's Day. Today we're going to have an amazing time. Look, we're going to have a fun-filled video. I got some special, exciting things I want to share with you guys. But before we get into that, let's go ahead and show some gratitude for all the veterans on here on Memorial's Day. So look, Memorial Day is a time when we come together as a nation, okay, to remember and honor the brave men and women who have made the ultimate sacrifice. I got service members in my family. I'm pretty sure 99% of the people watching this channel also got service members in their family too. Look, today is a day that we express our gratitude. You know, we celebrate our freedom that they fought hard and long for. And a lot of people paid that ultimate sacrifice, so we should at least show some appreciation to them on this day. But hey, that doesn't mean we can't have a little fun while we're doing it at the same time. So look, just here for Memorial Day, I want you to do something special for me. When the sun starts to set and it's time to gather around the bonfire and you got your peoples all with you, I want you to grab some marshmallows and some graham crackers and go ahead and put one by the campfire for Trader. Because look, it's the times like this we need to enjoy and really, you know what I'm saying, take advantage of, because we got the best, freest country in the whole world. And I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart to all the veterans out there, because I don't know if you heard enough, but we appreciate you. And you know what? With that being said, we're going to get right into today's topic of today's video. And just know that we as a country appreciate you veterans here on Memorial Day, Veterans Day, every single day, Independence Day. We appreciate you. Let's get to this video. Look, it's the last day of the month. Let me know in the comments below what you're doing. Is you out there going for Top Dasher? I'm not. You see, I'm out here sweating. It's 85 degrees. I've been doing Walmart Spark all day. I'm not worried about no Top Dasher. But look, don't get the wrong idea. If you going for Top Dasher, I'm not hating on you. I don't mind if you do. I'm cool with Top Dashers. I just feel the way I feel when it comes to it. For me, it's a dumb move. So I'd say Top Dasher, Top Dumbass, Top Dummy, Top all of that. I'm talking about in regards to me. But you do what works for you.
Do it! Just do it!
I don't consider none of my Top Dashing homies Top Dummies. But if I do throw that word Top Dumbass, Top Dummy out there, don't feel offended. It's just for fun, guys. But look, I still don't condone going for Top Dasher. Do what works for you, but it ain't working for me. That's how. Welcome back. Thanks for being here. I'm your boy, the Dashing Trader. On this channel, we help you maximize with gig apps like DoorDash, Uber Eats, Walmart Spark. Might throw in a little Grubhub. I might turn on Instacart. You never know. And look, I'm thrilled to be here today with you to celebrate a major milestone on the channel, guys. Look, we about to reach 7,000 subscribers. Can you even believe it? And it's all thanks to you and your incredible support and engagement and love for the Dashing Trader channel. And look, personally, right here for me, I want to say thank you. From informative tutorials to exciting challenges and thought-provoking discussions, we've covered it all. I've even done some confrontations. You know, I did some scooter deliveries. I try to maximize when I'm out there delivering. Look, it wouldn't have been possible without each and every single one of you guys. So as a token of my gratitude and appreciation, I got something very special planned for you guys. Something super nice and super sweet, and I think you're really gonna love it. That's right, we hosting an up-and-coming live stream, and on this event, we will be giving away cold hard cash, baby. That's right, you heard me right. We're giving away cold hard cash to some lucky winner. But before we dive into the details, let's talk about our exclusive channel membership program, okay? Because if you didn't know, you can become a channel member right here on the FDA family. So look, by joining the channel membership, you're going to gain access to some treasure troves of exclusive member-only content, okay? I might just make some of them confrontations member-only and anything I do in the future. But look, before we get into that, you will be the first to know about upcoming videos, for one. Okay, you're going to receive behind-the-scenes access and participate in member-only polls, member-only, Q&A sessions. It's going to be a lot going on. Plus, you're going to have a shiny badge next to your name and custom emojis that you can use in the chat, showing your loyalty and your membership to the FDA channel. Ain't that just so awesome? Because, look, I just love how much that you guys enjoy the content that I'm making. It really makes me want to make more, and it gives me that push I need when on them days I ain't as motivated as I ain't got a lot of energy as I normally got. It really gives me that push to go ahead, get out there, and get it done. So look, As our channel grows, and I'm gonna say our channel because this is not my channel, this is our channel. As our channel grows, we want to create even close knit. We want to create an even closer knit community, right? Where we can interact on a more personal level. That's why I'm inviting you to become a channel member and become one of the great supporters of this channel, so we can interact more on a personal level, get to know each other. You know what I'm saying? FDA style. So look, we're gonna talk about this live stream during this exclusive event because it's not gonna be available to everybody. It's going to be available to the subscribers. It's going to be a subscriber only live stream. Not only will we be celebrating the 7,000 subscriber milestone, but we also going to be giving away that cold hard cash. And you know what? I might just do a couple different giveaways now that I'm sitting here thinking about it, because one giveaway just don't seem like enough. I feel like I need to go ahead and give a little bit more because y'all have given me so much. So can you even imagine being one of them people that win on this giveaway? I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet. I might just have you like spam an emoji in the chat, or I might say type this if you want to be considered for the giveaway. I'm not sure yet. I don't know what we gonna do or how we gonna do it, but to participate in this giveaway, I need you to do a couple things, right? I need you to tune in first and foremost to the live stream. Once you see that notification, and look, I'm gonna give you some time to get on up in there, but it's at the 7,000 subscriber mark, and I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm already at 6,900. But look, it's gonna be unforgettable, event filled. We're gonna talk about some topics. We're gonna have some people come up, talk about what they got going on. It's gonna be great. And look, I can't wait to see all of you there. Look, joining in the celebration to commemorate this milestone that we have hit, guys. And look, remember, by becoming a channel member, you're going to get some exclusive benefits. And look, that's all I got to say about that. I appreciate all the people who already have became channel members. But look, you're not going to want to miss out on none of this. You're not going to want to miss this live stream. Thank you once again for all your incredible support, because I would not be here without y'all. And if you don't know, I got a second channel that I've started. It's called Blackleg Jones. It's gonna be primarily my my gaming channel. And then I got another channel I just started called Trader Reacts, where I'm gonna be reacting to content. So go ahead and check that out too. I'm gonna drop some links in the description of this video for both of those channels. And look, that's all I got for right now. Make sure you stop by, get you a chance to win some of that cold hard cash. Look, until next time, stay awesome. Keep subscribing and get ready for some amazing content coming soon, because look, I'm FDA and I don't. If you finding value in this video, I need you to hit that like button and the subscribe button, because I got to go.